And we've got a red light here, and I'm stopping at my proper distance. Check left, right. Flashing amber, telling you it's a crosswalk, so look out for any pedestrians and check left, right. Oh, these roads are really bad. Speed limit 40 kilometers an hour. Whoa. Proper distance. He's rolling though, and we have to, no, we don't have to cross the yellow line, so I don't need a signal. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Okay, we're making a left turn here. Signal left, mirror blind spot, left turn lane to make a left turn at the lights. Now I'll sign off once I've made this left turn. Is it safe to make the turn? Well, there's a pedestrian, so I have to wait for that pedestrian. Now it's safe, then I can make my turn. Okay, now there's construction. I have to signal, check, move over to the right lane, cancel signal. Okay, this will be the end of this video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.